Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's session. I would like to introduce my research, anti-obesity effect of the Red Pitaya in high-fat diet SD rat. This is the outline of my presentation today. First is introduction, and second is material and methods. Next is results, and last is conclusion. We know overweight and obesity are defined as abnormal or excessive fat accumulation that impaired health. Most of the world's population live in countries where overweight and obesity kills more people than underweight. The major strategy for prevention and the threat of the obesity is lifestyle modification, including diet control, physical exercise, nutrition, counseling, and the promotion of the functional foods containing antioxidants. Healthy diet should contain the fruit and vegetable as a source of vitamins, minerals, and the natural substances, and can afford protection against some chronic disease caused by oxidative stress. We know the Taiwan government commands the nation to intake 5 a day fruits to improve the health. So in the study, we evaluated the effect of daily intake of the red dragon fruit juice or puree in high-fat diet. So we will find the red and the white dragon fruit have recently drawn the growing attention worldwide, not only because of their economic value, but also their health benefits. Especially red dragon fruit consumption was reported to decrease the total cholesterol, triglyceride, and the low-density lipoprotein levels, while increasing the high-density lipoprotein levels in type 2 diabetes subjects. The session is introduce the material and the methods. We will introduce the dragon fruit extract the preparation. We use the red dragon fruits were clean and subsequently peeled manually, and then splattering the flesh from the skin. The flesh was placed in the juice extractor and to draw out the juice and puree by filter with the 20 mesh bag. And then introduce the study design. We use the SD rates, and number size is 24. We have the 4 groups. The first is the control group. We feed the rates with the standard diet group. The second group is HFD. It means high-fat diet group. We fed the rat the 1241151 laboratory diet. They are 45 calorie percent fat. It's a research diet. And the third group is HFD plus the dragon fruit juice. The juice is the dose of the 10 grams per kilogram body weight of rats per day. The last fruit is HFD plus the dragon fruit puree. They all the dose of the 10 grams per kilogram body weight of the rat per day. The full the animal size number size is 6. The body weight and the food consumption was measured once a week during induction of obesity. So we can show the results one. The figure one is show the SD rate during the 8 weeks during the experience period. We found after 1 week, the HFD group effectively induced obesity in SD rates. It means we are creating a successful release model. So we can show the dragon fruit juice group show the significantly decreased than HFD group in body weight. And we can see the table one. Table one is to show the effects of dragon fruit on body weight gain and the food featuring in SD rates with the HFD. The food featuring in the HFD groups are significantly higher than control group. It also means the release model is successful. And the dragon fruit juice group shows significantly decreased than HFD group in food featuring. And the table two is show the dragon fruit on the visceral fat weight in SD rates fed with the HFD. We can show you the dragon fruit juice group decrease the visceral fat deposition compared to the HFD group, especially mesentery fat, kidney fat, epididymis the fat, and the include total fat. So we can show you the dragon fruit group also decrease the fat in the visceral, in the epididymis fat, and the total fat. So we can no matter dragon fruit juice or puree, it also decrease the fat in tissues. And then we can show the table 4. Effects of the dragon fruit on serum lipid in SD rates. The serum levels of the TC, LDL, and LDL to HDL ratios in HFD group. We can see the results was significantly higher than the control group. And then the dragon fruit juice and dragon fruit puree groups decrease those items significantly than the HFD group. The result 5, we can see the effects of the dragon fruit on liver lipids and the inflammation SD rates. The results was found the HFD group increased liver weight, hepatic TG and TC accumulation compared to control group and reached significantly. The dragon fruit juice group, we show the results. They are significantly decrease of the liver weight and hepatic TG and the hepatic TC content compared to HFD group. The latest results is show the effects of the dragon fruit on blood glucose, creatinine, uric acid, and the fatty acids in SD rates. So this result is to show the safety to animal study. It means we consuming the dragon juice and the puree is safe. So we can find results biochemical analysis show there is no statistically significant difference was found between the older groups of the SLT glucose, creatinine, uric acid, and fatty acid parameters of older groups. Unless we will, the conclusion is the study demonstrated the dragon fruit juice is better than the puree, improves anti-obesity index. The dragon fruit juice can be developed as a functional ingredient to reduce fat accumulation. Thank you for attending this session. Thank you.